Hello guys, what's up? In today's video, I'm going to show you how to enable two-step verification in WhatsApp. So for that, first of all, go to WhatsApp and then click on three dot menu. After that, go to setting menu. Here you can see account option is available. Click here. Now two-step verification. Now click to turn on and then create 6-digit pin that you can remember. I want to set a easy password so that I can remember. Obviously, you should try to make a difficult password so that anyone can't do unlock your phone. So I am trying again. Now it's time to add an email for your two-step verification, or you can also skip this. I want to skip email. Now you have to add email for the two-step verification. So I am trying to add email again. Click here and then you can select any email from here to enable your two-step verification. I'm just clicking first one and then click to continue and then click next. Now enter 6-digit code we sent to this email. So I'm checking the email to get this code. Go to email and then select your email that you have selected for two-step verification. So here you can see the WhatsApp verification code is available. Now the code is 921692. And then click to verify. That's it. I think this is helpful for you. If you think this is helpful, then consider to like, comment, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.